Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your password for your Roku account. So let's go ahead and dive in straight into the video. Open a web browser from your device and then into the search box, type in roku.com and search. Once you end up in the official website of Roku, go ahead and click on the sign in link appearing at the top right hand corner in order to end up in the sign in page. In the sign in page, you'll need to provide a valid email address or your user ID and then type in your correct password. In case you don't remember your password and you don't know what to do next, simply click on the Forgot Password link. On the next page, you'll need to type in your correct email. Type in your valid email address associated with Roku.com account and then click on Submit. You will then receive a reset link sent to you via your email inbox. So go ahead and open up a new tab and log into your email inbox. Now, once you open up your inbox, click open the Roku email that you received. Click on the reset password link in order to create a new password for your account. So now, go ahead and enter the new password you'd like to reset to. Make sure to use these criteria displayed at the top while creating a password. And once you've created one, click on the submit button. Now, for your security, if you want to sign out of your Roku account on all the web browsers and mobile applications that you've logged in with, you can click on the Sign Me Out of Everywhere option. If you want to stay signed in, click on Keep Me Signed In, and then you'll be taken to the sign in page back again. This time, enter your email or your user ID and enter the newly created password in the password text box. Now, in the sign in page, enter the email address for your Roku account and then enter your password that you just reset to, and finally click the sign in button, which will then sign you in to your Roku account with the new password. So that was how you can easily reset your password for Roku if you've forgotten it during logging in. That's it for today's video. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. See you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.